friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, our today's topic is goods purchase on credit. Okay, suppose you're making a purchase and that purchase you're making on credit means you're receiving the goods today, but the payment of that particular goods you will be making it in future. So it will be considered as credit purchase. So how you have to make that accounting entry? Okay. So let's start with accounting entry of goods purchase on credit. First of all, go to accounting vouchers. Okay. The key for making purchase entry is F9. Okay. So you have to press F9. And now I will be explaining you this transaction in voucher method. So for shifting it to voucher method, press Ctrl plus V. Okay. So here you will find the voucher method. Now supplier invoice number, we will assume it as 21. Date will be 1st April 2. Okay, so our accounting entry for making purchase is goods purchase account debit to supplier account. Okay, so goods purchase will always be debited and supplier account will always be credited. Okay, so now they are asking me to, means they are asking me the credit entry. So I will be making the transaction as goods purchase on credit of rupees 500 from Shyam. Okay, so I will create the ledger of Shyam. Remember, from whoever you are making the purchases, okay, that particular person or that particular supplier will always be considered as your sundry creditors. Okay, so I will group it under sundry creditors. Shyam will be grouped under sundry creditors. Okay, so our entry is goods purchase on credit from Shyam of rupees 500. Okay, so here you have to enter the supplier address, his state, his sales tax number and everything. Okay, so I will enter the amount as 500 by goods purchase. So let's create as goods purchase under purchase account. Purchases will always be grouped under purchase account except the ledger. Okay, and 500 being goods purchase. So in this way, you will be making the entry of goods purchase on credit. Now, what exactly we are making or what will be the picture in balance sheet? Okay, so first of all, go to profit and loss account. You will find it over here in purchases that you have made a goods purchase of rupees 500. And secondly, as you have made these purchases on credit, so in balance sheet under current liabilities, there will be sundry creditors. And there you will find the ledger of Shyam outstanding of rupees 500. This amount you are supposed to make paid and that payment you will be making it in future. So we have grouped Shyam under sundry creditors. Alright friends, I hope you must be understood that how you have to make the entry for credit purchases. Alright, so if you have cleared with this concept or you have liked my video, do like it, subscribe it and keep supporting. Thank you.